If you've ever wanted that post-spa glow without spending hours or a fortune, then listen closely. The 111 SKINY Theorem bio-cellulose facial mask is not just a sheet mask. It's a luxury treatment designed to transform your skin in just 20 minutes. Let's talk about what makes this mask so special. First, it's powered by NAC Y², a unique antioxidant complex developed by Harley Street doctors. This ingredient helps repair stressed skin and shields it against future damage. Then we have Centella Asiatica, a calming botanical extract that reduces irritation while boosting hydration. And one of my favorite ingredients here is Ectoin, a natural molecule that strengthens your skin barrier and protects against pollution and environmental stress. Unlike regular sheet masks, this one is made from bio-cellulose material. That means it fits snugly, almost like a second skin, and ensures every drop of serum is absorbed deeply where your skin needs it most. Now, what can you expect after using it? Instantly, your skin feels hydrated, plumper and smoother. Fine lines look softer, elasticity improves, and you're left with a radiant, fresh-faced glow. Whether you're prepping before makeup, getting ready for an event, or just taking time for self-care, this mask delivers professional-level results at home. Each box includes 5 individually wrapped masks, so you have a complete treatment plan ready whenever you need it. Trust me, once you try it, you'll see why 111 SKIN is loved by celebrities and skincare professionals worldwide. Want to get yours? I've added the link in the comments section, so check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more skincare tips and reviews.